Welcome to another episode of Fun Cooking with Danny. I'm yours truly, Danny. Today I'm going to make something very simple, very easy, not complicated at all. A cheeseburger. Who doesn't love cheeseburgers? Cheeseburgers are great. Grew up eating it all the time. Everybody loves a cheeseburger. I was going to do it outside today, but however, I ran out of propane gas, so I promise you guys I will do a barbecue grill video one day for you guys. In the meantime, let's go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and tell you what I got in front of me. So here, I already weighed it. I have 6 ounces of ground beef. I have here a portobello mushroom that's already been roasted with some Worcestershire sauce. I have a provolone cheese, some arugula that I picked out from the garden. I have onion jam. This is just basically butter, fine chopped onions, balsamic vinegar, and sugar, and you just reduce it down until it becomes very nice and gooey and sticky. And of course, our sriracha mayonnaise, self-explanatory, sriracha and mayonnaise mixed together. Our brioche bun and Roma tomato. This dish is something I used to cook at one of my restaurants that I used to work at. Well, one of the restaurants I used to work at. And it's a very popular burger. A lot of people would order this all the time. I'll get like 6 orders at a time, sometimes 7. It is a good burger, so I recommend it for you guys. So let's go ahead and start this. So first we're gonna take our beef and we're gonna go ahead and shape it. So we're gonna go ahead and shape it up. You just pretty much get it like a meatball and you just pat it down, and just shape it into a round patty. Pretty simple, anybody can do this, you know, it's not hard at all. It's kind of like Play-Doh, you know. So yeah, burgers, big fan of it. And we're gonna make this real nice and juicy. So there you are, simple, already molded up. Let's go ahead and season this. What I'm using today is some garlic salt. I really like using this for any kind of meat. I think it's real good. It makes your meat taste really tasty. So let's go ahead and season that now. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and pick it up. And make sure you season. Anytime you season anything, make sure you season evenly. You don't want to have a big spot in the middle and then empty spots on the sides. Get a knife and cover it up just like that. So flip it now and do the same. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and put it on the pan. I'm using some oil. Go ahead and drop it there. Nice and light, not too much. We're just making a burger. All right, and here comes the best part, the sizzling sound. So we wanna go ahead and cook this up. Alright guys, so you leave this patty here about 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and flip it now. And there you go, burger, nice color. Got that char looking color, that's what you want. Char is nice and delicious flavor. And another tip about burgers, I want to tell you guys, never squish your burger. Because if you squish your burger, all that flavor and juices are just gonna come out. And you're just gonna have a tasteless burger. You want that juiciness. So I really recommend, I know it's tempting, don't press on your burger. Just let the pan do the work. And if it's too hot, turn it down. Maybe you could even cover it. You don't need the most expensive pans to do this. I'm just using a regular pan here, nothing special. But like I say, if you give it its time and respect the food, it's gonna come out bomb. Alright guys, so the most important thing is about temperatures. Temperatures can be tricky at the beginning, but with more practice you'll get better at it. So if you zoom in here, you can see that there's blood trickling out of the burger. When there's blood trickling out of any kind of meat, that's already at a mid-rare. But there's another trick to it. You could feel on the burger, see how it's very bouncy. And so there's a trick that you could do with your hand too. So here is mid-rare. Right about here is medium, and right on top of your wrist is well done. So that can be your guide when you're cooking any kind of meat. If it's a steak, burger, any kind of meat that you want. So the more bouncy, the more rare. The more hard, the more well cooked it is. All right, so next up what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and put our mushrooms down, get the nice and heated up, place our cheese, and like I said, just let the pan do the work, you know? Burgers are very simple to make, nothing hard at all. So see, this cheese is already melting. We'll go ahead and turn off the heat, let the pan do the work. Get a little bit of butter. We're gonna go ahead and toast our bun. Just like this. And we'll get that bun nice and toasted for you guys. Real delicious. Alright guys, so now we got our bun toasted. You know, good color there. We got our mushrooms ready to go. And let's go ahead and plate this up. So, start off with the bun. We'll go ahead and get our spread. And we're gonna go ahead and put it right on our bread. So the main thing about a spread, you wanna make sure that you cover every piece of the bread. That way, when you take a bite of the burger or a sandwich, anything, you're getting all that flavor into it. So I'm gonna go back here and cover it all up. Okay, now we'll go ahead and take our burger. I have a funny story. So a lot of times you see burgers with the lettuce and tomato going first. And I remember I got yelled at because I did that one time by a chef. And he told me stop building the burger upside down. And I looked at him and I'm like, what is he talking about? Like, it's fine. And he told me, no, you need to have the garnish on top of the patty. So ever since then, I took that into consideration. So we'll go ahead and get this onion jam. Well, we got our onion jam here. Same thing, you want to spread it out. Just like that. We'll get our portobello mushroom. Cover it there. We'll get our tomatoes. Just like this. Our arugula. I'm gonna use a little bit of lemon. A little bit of lemon juice. Make sure the seeds don't fall in there. And we'll enhance it with some olive oil as well. Just a little bit, not too much. And we're just gonna go ahead and give it a quick mix. And now, just like that. Okay. And go ahead and cover it. So there you have it, guys. Our burger with mushroom, provolone cheese, onion jam, and sriracha mayonnaise and tomatoes. Well, I'm actually gonna share this burger and I'm pretty hungry right now. So let's go ahead and cut it in half. Got a little cucumber there for garnish. Let's see what the inside looks like. And there you go, our burger. Nice and juicy. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my videos. Also click on that bell for your notifications. I'll have a new video for you guys every week. Thank you for always supporting. And like I always say, have fun with cooking. And no matter what you do, always do it with love. Take care guys, until next time.